Welcome back to Product Critique, the home of deep dive reviews, where we break down the best gear and products you can get your hands on. And today, we're talking about the best 20W50 aviation oil on the market. Phillips 6620W50XC aviation oil. Buckle up, because this one's made for serious performance in the skies. Let's start with what makes this oil special. The Phillips 6620W50XC is not just your average motor oil. It's an ashless dispersant, multi-grade aviation oil, designed to meet the rigorous demands of piston-powered aircraft engines. This oil is engineered specifically for high-performance, high-stress environments. Think takeoff loads, high-altitude temperatures, and quick throttle response. Whether you're flying light sport or legacy piston aircraft, this oil keeps your engine protected and running cleaner. Now, if you've used single-grade oils in the past, you'll immediately notice some major improvements here. First off, cold starts are a breeze. The multi-grade formulation means faster oil circulation at low temperatures, so your engine isn't grinding metal on metal when you turn the key in the early morning chill. And on the flip side, it maintains superior film strength under high load and high heat situations. That means better wear protection and less piston scuffing, even when your engine's pushed to the limit. And here's where it really gets good. The XC blend reduces warm-up time, meaning you're in the air faster and operating more efficiently. That also translates to cooler running temperatures, especially in hot climates or during extended flight times. If you fly regularly in hot conditions, this feature alone makes it a game changer. One of the standout benefits of this oil is how clean it keeps your engine. The ashless dispersant technology minimizes sludge and varnish buildup, which helps extend engine life and reduces maintenance intervals. It's also designed to provide a cleaner, faster break-in process for new or overhauled engines, especially compared to older, all-mineral, non-additive single-grade oils. And while the oil is primarily targeted for aviation, it's universally compatible with aircraft piston engines and meets a wide range of OEM specifications. So you're getting a product that's trusted across the industry and used by professionals who demand reliability and performance. You'll receive this product in a 12-pack of 1-quart bottles, each with 32 fluid ounces. That's enough to handle most oil changes with some left over for top-offs. It's packaged conveniently, stores well, and is easy to handle whether you're in the hangar or on the go. It's made for serious aviators who value performance, engine cleanliness, and long-term protection. If you want an oil that's trusted, proven, and engineered for flight, this is the one to go for. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our product critiques. Until next time, keep your engines clean, your flights smooth, and your choices smart. Safe flying.